Yar! Man, I got a story to tell! This is a good one. I was just minding my business, jellyfishing. There was this bully, right? Didn't even seem like the bully type. Walked right up to me and told me, "You look like a cookie bite." I said you could be right, but me, I'm not the looky type. So I walked away and then he hit me with a cooking knife. He said, "Did I tell you you could walk away, Sponge?" I responded no, and then he hit me with an 8 punch all up in my face. And then I lost my patience, so I've been